How to fix error 0x800704cf. You will need the internet for this in Microsoft Store in Windows 11. Hello friends, you encounter this error code when you try to log into a Microsoft Store app and download or update any app from the store. Follow the steps to fix it. The first method is run the network and internet troubleshooter. Click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. For network and internet, click on Run. Follow the on-screen instructions on this interface to complete running the troubleshooter and check if the issue is fixed. The second method is set a different DNS server IP address. Click on Search, type ncpa.cpl, click on the same result, right click on your running network and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and click on Properties. Check this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred DNS server, type 8888. For alternate DNS server, 8844. Click on OK. Here uncheck Client for Microsoft Networks. Click on Close. Close the control panel and see if the issue is fixed. If the error still persists, then reset Microsoft Store. Click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down and click on System Components. For Microsoft Store, click on three dots, select Advanced Options. Go down, click on Terminate. Under Reset section, click on Repair. Then click on Reset. Again click on Reset. Now launch Microsoft Store. And check if the error doesn't occur. The next method is remove proxy server. Click on Start, select Settings, go to Network and Internet, click on Proxy and make sure that automatically detect settings is turned off. Under Manual Proxy Setup, click on Setup and make sure that this is also turned off. The next method is reinstall the network adapter driver. Right click on Start, select Device Manager, find Network Adapter in the list and expand it by clicking on this arrow. Locate your network adapter in the list, right click on the adapter and select Uninstall device. Then click on Uninstall. Then click on Action and select Scan for hardware changes. This will again install the driver. Connect to your internet. And then check whether the issue is fixed. If the error code still appears, re-register the Microsoft Store app. Right click on Start, select Terminal Admin, click on Yes, go to the video description. You will find this PowerShell command. Copy the command paste into the PowerShell and press enter. Once completed, close the PowerShell window and restart your computer. Then check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, reset the network. Click on Start, select Settings, go to Network and Internet, click on Advanced Network Settings, click on Network Reset, click on Reset Now. Here click on Yes. Your computer will restart after 5 minutes. After restarting, again connect to your network and then check if everything is fine. The error should be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.